We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hip hip. Right, Shantango Tara, the charity festive season, man, Manufalisa, they get more excited. Please, I'm not saying don't drink. Drink and sleep. Don't drink and drive. My accidents are quitika ngati be careful andika tisamanye ti wanike tichapinda mu new year tichiri tese anditi. So I just want to wish you Merry Christmas Rockefeller. When you go to England, chirungu chinondinetsa. Meet my friend Rockefeller Mamze. You know the marriage.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right. Which connection to change church?
What an hour you drink for pizza and then you drive home. You're drinking and driving.
You drink and you don't go anywhere. Then when you wake up the next morning when you're sober, then you drive. So from me and Rockefeller, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a propaganda.
And a Happy New Year. Sorry.
And a prosperous New Year. Ding.